Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create an account on bestbuy.com. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to create an account on bestbuy.com or the Best Buy, first open up your preferred browser on your computer, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in bestbuy.com like this and hit enter. And after that, after landing on this page, which is the home page of Best Buy, you can see the account button available over here, where I'm hovering with my mouse right now. Click over there, and after that, this box will appear where you can see the sign in and the create account button available over here. Click on create account, and after that, enter these details on Best Buy, like your first name, your last name, and the email with which you want to log in or create an account or register on Best Buy. Enter your password and please choose a strong password, guys. Put a capital letter, a small letter, and some number with some signs. And okay, let's enter our mobile number. Click on create an account. Okay, let's enter the number again, and let's save it and click on continue, and let's skip for now, and let's go to our Gmail and let's confirm that we made an account on Best Buy. And I think there is no confirmation.